Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on the Garena Free Fire game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Free Fire game on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with logging in using your Google or your Facebook account. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to turn off the sounds within the game, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and you will be taken into the settings page. From this page, tap on the sound option at the left side, and now you will see the game audio as well as the voice chat options. If you simply wish to turn off the sounds within the game, you can just turn the sliders on the music, the sound effects, and the kill streak notifications all the way to the left. You can also turn off the character voices as well as the auto quick messages option. Now, if you wish to turn off the chat as well, you can turn off the sliders to the left once again, and also turn off the active in-device background options. Once you turn all of these off, you will not hear any sounds within the Free Fire game on your device, and you can turn these settings back on at any point of time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the Garena Free Fire game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.